Today we are looking at a 1400 watt stand mixer. I have the silver one here. This is also available in black. I will link it down below if you want to pick this up. This was very kindly sent out to me by the manufacturer. They did not ask me to say anything in particular, neither was I paid for this review. However, at the end of the review, I do get to keep the product. Before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section and subscribe to watch more reviews. This is everything that's included inside the box. Warranty card, instruction booklet in different languages. It's a well written instruction booklet. A door hook, a whisk, a beater, a spatula or scraper, egg white separator, splash guard. It's got a cutout there to add ingredients. 6.2 litre stainless steel bowl. That's what it looks like from the bottom. Two handles there. Show you the stand mixer from the bottom. Information sticker there. It has 6 pads. A fixed cable coming from the back. Nothing on that side. This is a 6-speed stand mixer. It also has a pulse function, and I believe that will light up when we turn it on. So to lift this up, we push this down. So to get the beater, you could see they've got cutouts. Go on, they twist, lock into place. Then you push that down, hold that down, that will go down. So to put the bowl in, we just push it in and twist it. As it's written there, lock, you can see that there. And to remove it, we twist it the other way and just lift it up. If you want to use the splash guard, you'd put that on first and then put your tool on afterwards. So it would go this way, so that part would go facing upwards. Just push it onto the body. Okay, so first we are going to make some bread rolls, but before we make them, I thought I'll show you this on. So just to show, if I were to turn this to number 1. Speed 2. You get the idea. Now I'm going to turn it to mode P. So as you can see, we have our ingredients ready. We've removed the door hook because the bowl will not fit on the stand with the door hook in place. So we've removed that. We're going to put the bowl onto the stand and then we'll reattach the door hook. I've already put the splash guard on. Okay, so I'm going to increase it to number 2 now. I'm going to leave it like that for about a minute, and then after that we're going to increase it to number 4. I've turned it off because I need to scrape the sides of the bowl, and then I'm going to turn it on number 4 for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to turn it up to speed 4. Okay, a bit of an update. When we turned it off, the dough was a bit sticky, so we had to add a bit more flour in. So the bread roll dough is ready. Just to show you there. Okay, now we are making a sponge cake, just to show the whisk in action. I just want you to point something out quickly. When the stand mixer is opened up like this, that blue light, it's off. Once you push it back down, it starts flashing. It's ready to use, and then you can adjust your speed. So for this one, we're going to leave it on number 1 first, and then after a minute, we'll increase it to either 3 or 4. It's been about a minute. I'm going to turn it to number 3 now. That's 2. Then 3. So that, as you can see, the results, we're really happy with it. You really can't go wrong with products like this. This one, 1400 watt, it comes with everything you need. Dishwasher safe, easy to clean after you've used it. Leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick it up. I hope this video was useful to someone. If it was, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section, and subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.